All right, good day, everyone. It's Sylvain here. Welcome to the channel, Accelerate Your Life. So on today's video, we're going to talk about Lurn Nation, so learn.com. So we're going to be talking about that nice platform by Anik Singal. A lot of free courses on that platform. So I think it's excellent if you're new in that affiliate marketing and so on. Lots to learn if you're just someone that exploring for a certain type of business. That's definitely something you want to have a look at. All right, so if you're new to the channel, on this channel we talk about making money online through affiliate marketing, network marketing, and then also do a bunch of product reviews as well. And also one thing I wanted to state as well is all my videos, all my information can also be applied to kind of the brick and mortar business, right? So you have a business, with a physical store and stuff like that. You can still, promote through social medias and improve your way of doing it. All right. So it's not just, for people online. This can apply to you as well. So that's definitely something I want to do. I want to help you out, doing that and having a better life, accelerating your life. Sorry. And then, yeah, you can check out my, new, a website as well, accelerateyourlife.io. I'm still building that, so lots more to come. Anyway, so without further ado, so let's talk about Lurn Nation. So the way I'm going to approach it, I'm just going to go in the back office here and then show you a little bit what that is and what you can get out of that. All right, so let's do that quickly. All right, so let's have a look here. So Lurn Nation. So again, Anik Singal that made that. So it's got a ton of courses. So browse over 100 exclusive courses, and then a ton of them are free. All right. So if you're not sure, all right. So we talk often about many type of businesses. You can either be, let's say network marketing. You can go affiliate marketing, or you can also do drop shipping, that sort of thing. So it's all, in that platform has got a lot of basics on each one of them, and then you can select which one fits best according to you. He's got courses on email marketing, again Amazon, that sort of thing. So yeah, let's just browse quickly. It'll be easier for you to see. So let's have a look here quickly. Courses. So yeah, so if you go and browse courses tab, so you get tons of different courses here. Some are paid, but you get lots of options before you have to put any money into it. You can go through. There's a lot of courses that are free. So let's say, so that one is like one of his popular course, email startup incubator. So $6.97, and that's US dollars. Unfortunately for us in Canada, that turns out to be a bit more. So that's one popular course. I can make a mention of maybe, let's see if I can find another one here. Email secrets. So print profits. So that's one by Fred Lamb. So he's associate. He's partner with him. Anik Singal is also partner with Robert Kiyosaki as well. So it's another thing to take a note of. Sorry. And then I think he's got another one with Amazon, I believe. I just can't find it at the moment. But anyway, it's all in there. So so for you, if you're a beginner, you might want to go either be on course under $10 or even the ones for free. And then, yeah, there you go. So coaching and consulting bootcamp, you can learn about that, aspect of online business, e-commerce. Then you can go into YouTube bootcamp. Let's say if you want to start a YouTube channel, there's a podcast one, I believe, as well. Keep scrolling here. You'll see some of them. Amazon bootcamp. So it tells you like what you need to really get into the Amazon store and stuff like that. And then email secrets, to proper drafting of emails. I think he's got stuff on copywriting as well. So tons of great value on this here. And then you can just, sign up for free on Lurn.com, and then you can get tons of great. So that would be, really recommended for if you're a beginner, and then you're like, oh, let's, you're someone motivated that wants to get out of that 9 to 5 grind and stuff like that, but doesn't really know where to start. I really recommend that to you, so you can, explore courses, see what you like, what kind of aspect you'd like out of online business. And then so different courses here. I think I've done a few so far, the ones I've been into. Let's have a look here. So 17%, yeah, I just haven't had time, so actually the ones I completed, Amazon, the boot camps, I had interest about ecom before I started doing affiliate marketing. So I went into reading a bit and learning a bit on that stuff. Some are reading, but lots of them are videos. So let's just, digital boot camp. So let's just go quickly into this one. And then you'll see, so everything is nicely laid out and stuff like that. And then, you can go into ingredient of success, go into this one. I don't know if that one's a video or not. Yeah, I believe so. So you can go in that, and then you'll get a video out of it. And then you get all the PDF transcript as well, the audio if you're on the road and you'd like to listen to it in your car, that sort of thing. You can even put notes on the side here. So it's really good platform if you're a beginner and you don't have a ton of money to invest, or you don't even know what you actually want to do. So I certainly recommend that. So that's pretty much it for back office. I mean, the best thing for you is to go on that, sign up, and then explore, take on courses, take a few minutes a day, and that's how you get started in the online business, right? So let's say take half hour a day, go watch a video, and then you're gonna learn, you're gonna progress, you're gonna explore other stuff, and that's how it's gonna roll. Let's go back up to full screen. Yes. Sorry for my cough here. I went for a run this morning, so kind of sporty dress today. So yeah, I wanted to present. So that's Anik Singal. That's the man under that platform. So that book is actually offered into the Lurn Nation as well. So for a pretty low price, I think you just pay for shipping of it, and it's really good. So far I'm in chapter 3. Tons of great value, and he's going to go over like the 4 stages of his online business. I think the first one he talks about self, so work on yourself, catapult, so generating some momentum, authority, generate like your presence online. You can do that through YouTube and so on, and people. So again, people. So you got to be able to support people, help out others to be successful online, and then he's going over all that. So far, what I've read is start as an entrepreneur. So it was quite hard, and then but then within a few months, he went up pretty quick, and then he had some issues after the fact. But anyway, it's all in that, and I just barely got started with it, so I'm gonna keep on reading that, and then eventually I'll give you a video on the major points in there, major keys to take out of that to grow your business. All right. So that's pretty much it. So hopefully you got great value out of this today. So Lurn.com, ideal if you're a beginner. If you're not sure where to start, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, that sort of thing, or you want to create your own books and so on, a lot of value in there. YouTube, podcasting. So I think it's great value for anyone that really wants to start. So hopefully you liked it. Make sure you like the video if you did, and then subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to be reminded of upcoming videos. And then again, I'll be providing lots more to you, and check out the information below as well. So thanks a lot for watching, and then have a great weekend. Bye bye.